Tomoko, thank you for making time for me today. You are part of the Advanced Technologies Committee. When people think of seed testing, they often think of words like compliance and seed quality, but advanced technologies are more important than ever across all of the seed sector. Can you explain in what ways the Advanced Technology Committee is contributing towards ISTA's bigger goals?
ISTA germination testing method is focusing on the germination seed performance at very comfortable condition per crop. Farmer always expected to get a very nice germination at practical condition. And nowadays, in advanced agriculture, farmer expecting to add more value on the seed. The seed is always starting point of the plant establishment. Therefore, if we can apply anything on the seed that is very environmental friendly and friendly for farmer. Therefore, some countries like to add fertilizer, biostimulant, and biological as well. So to add such high cost seed enhancement technology, seed quality need to be nice. Therefore, everyone are looking for something new technology, nicer technology, quicker technology, and non-destructive technology. So that is the area what Advanced Technology Committee can contribute. And that is the mission of the Advanced Technology Committee in ISTA. That is my understanding.
So your committee then provides guidance for and the rules and regulations around how companies would place their innovations onto seed. Is that correct?
Maybe our task is to share the idea what new technology will be available in the future.
Okay, what is possible?
Yeah, what is possible?
Right.
Then everyone start thinking about how to use that.
Right.
Then ISTA start working to establish something new.
Right.
So our task is to share the idea.
Okay. So now everybody is going to want to know what is new that is coming. Innovation is happening so fast in agriculture. And are there big things that you are expecting in the future?
Yes, in the future, what I'm expecting is just now, this committee had a session to explain the AI multi-spectrum image analysis method. That is quite a big way in the Advanced Technology Committee. That is very efficient and a very advanced way to understand the seed quality with non-destructive way. So maybe that is one of the big trend in the future, and that is the area which Advanced Technology Committee can contribute.
Exciting. We look forward to seeing how innovation changes seeds coming forward. Thank you, Tomoko, for chatting with me.
Thank you very much.